What is the correct size for your YouTube channel art? There are different sizes banded about, but in this video, we're going to discuss the correct size. We're going to discuss some different ways you can create your YouTube channel art. Also, give you some different ways you can get your channel art designed professionally. Before we get started, if you've not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And for some extra appreciation, hit the bell icon and you'll get notified when I release new videos. I release videos weekly to help entrepreneurs, businesses, and individuals just like yourself get online with video. Right, let's get started. This is where your cover art lives. It's a prime area to introduce your brand or what you do. It can be viewed on desktop, TVs, mobiles, and tablets. You can make your cover art as bold, as extravagant, as wild, or as minimal as you like. This is the first thing people will see when they land on your channel. Now, if you're good with graphic design, great. If you're not good with graphic design, well, then fortunately there's some resources to help you get started. I've listed some resources in the description below. These include resources to help you create your own design, as well as have some design professionally. The recommended size for your YouTube channel art or cover art is 2560 by 1440 pixels with a maximum file size of 6 megabytes. There is a minimum safe area which you should pay close attention to. The reason you should pay close attention to it is because this safe area is the area that will show up on all devices. As you can see from this template, there are 4 areas to take into consideration when creating your cover art. Pay attention to the text and logo safe area. When adding any logos, text, note that the majority of your views will come from mobile devices. Second will be TV, such as smart TVs. I'm just going to jump on a computer and show you how to add your newly created channel art. Click on your picture or icon on the top right. If it's a new channel, then click New Channel Art near the top of the screen. Click Add Channel Art. Existing channels, hover over the channel on the top right, then click on the camera icon. If you're still on an older version of YouTube and you're not able to follow these instructions, a link to update to the current version is in the description below under current YouTube version. When this channel art screen pops up, you can drag your image from your computer or select one from your photos or use one from YouTube's gallery here. Remember, the recommended file size is 2560 by 1440 with a maximum file size of 6 megabytes. Once you've uploaded, you'll see the preview of how your image will look across all the different devices. If you're happy, then press select to save the image. That is it. That's how to add and upload your channel art. I have added some resources in the description below, as well as a link to the template for the cover art so you can download it. So the resources are there. If you would like to get it done professionally, then the resources there as well. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, consider giving it a thumbs up. Please subscribe so I can deliver more videos just like this one to help entrepreneurs, businesses, and individuals just like yourself get online with video. Thanks for watching. But in this video, we're gonna discuss the reason you should play. The reason you should play. I'm just gonna jump. Oh no.